What's up everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Pycharm. Now Pycharm is a Python IDE, a Python console that allows you to code in Python. It's widely used by a lot of Python developers in the industry, and it's kind of similar to Spider in a lot of ways. So let's just quickly see how this can be downloaded and installed. I've already downloaded, but I'm just going to show you how to download this. You just need to go to Google and type something like install Pycharm or download Pycharm. There, click on this first couple of links which you get, and there you'll be able to see a website called JetBrains that manufactures or that produces Pycharm. Here you'll be able to see Pycharm for Windows, Mac, Linux. Just select your operating system and select the community option. There's a professional option, but that is that has a cost to it, so I'm just going to use the community option. This is widely used by students. So I've already downloaded it, I've already opened it. So as you can see, once you download and open this, it gives you this installation options. There you have to click on the options which suits you best. Just one thing, if you click on create associations, so whatever Python file you create, be it on Jupyter or on Spider or wherever it is, it's going to store in .py format. I wouldn't want that, so I'm not going to click on that. But if you would like it, you're welcome to click on it. So just read all of this. All of these functionalities are there, and just click on install. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. I'm just going to trim the video until it's finished. So now I'm just going to click on run here and click on finish. Let's just wait for a few more seconds. Right. So who's going to read all this? Just scroll down and click on I confirm that I've read, and then data sharing. I would recommend to read this, but I just think we should proceed. Don't send. And right, so here you have the theme. I like a much darker theme, but if you like a lighter theme, you can go for it, but I would prefer a darker theme. And here you have all of this. I'm not going to select any. It requires you to install, and it's going to take some time to do that as well, so I'm just going to skip and move to the console immediately. So here you'll be greeted with this window. You just need to click on create new project, and just select the location where the project will be stored. I'm just going to write hello, and alright, and I think that's pretty much it, and then click on create. It's going to take a couple of seconds here. I'm just going to click on close. I'm just going to skip the video until it creates this. All you need to do to create an editor is to just click on new and click on Python file and type the name. Just going to type hello world, and there you go. You can now code. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer to them, and until next time, see you all later.